Welcome to our channel TechSep. Today we are going to unbox and give our first impression for the brother DCP-B7535DW MFP printer. This is a multifunction printer. That means it can print, copy and scan. It's a monochrome laser printer. It is having the duplex facility. That means it can print both sides of a page. It's Wi-Fi enabled. That means you can print, copy or scan from your mobile device also. So friends, let's start. We'll unbox it and see the physical form of the printer. Let's go.
So friends, as you can see, this is the printer, and talking about the design of it, it's good only. It's very rough and tough printer. Okay, it's very for heavy uses. Color also is good, and the size of the printer also is very big, as is a laser printer. And talking about putting pages, you can put up to 150 pages in here. As you can see, you can put 150 pages in here, and in here also you can put pages. And from here the output of this printout will come here, and from here the output of from this page thing from output will come in here. Okay, from here also you can put pages to print. And this printer's main cons is that it have a dual-sided auto-duplex printing, which is a very good feature of this printer. And talking about the setup, so to set it up, you have to go in menu. As you can see guys, these are the controls of it. Okay, like power on, 2-in-1 ID copy, scan, Wi-Fi and copy scan options, and menu, clear, plus minus, okay, stop, exit and start. And there is a small display type. Okay, so to set it up you have to go in menu. This is the setup option which I am showing you here is the most best and also the most simple and easy also, and 100% guarantee it will connect with your phone. Okay, to set up the Wi-Fi you have to go in the set menu, and after going you have to tap. As you can see that these are okay, so you have to go like this one button, tap like this, and after tapping 4 times the network will come to tap OK. Then again you have to go down 3 times, and then you have to press again OK in Wi-Fi direct settings. Okay, then you have to go again 3 times down, and there is a manual. You have to tap that manual. So in here, in this one thing, it will show you the password of the Wi-Fi network, by which you can just connect it with your mobile. So for connecting with your mobile, you have to go in the Wi-Fi, and you have to see on your Wi-Fi and put this one password. For every printer, the password will be different. Okay, after putting the password, you have to again go. You have to, after putting the password, it will automatically connect, and here one option will come, this or this means yes or no. You have to tap this one option to connect. Okay, then after that your printer is now connected with your mobile via Wi-Fi. So you have to go into download one app to print with your mobile, to download the brothers iPrint and Scan app. And after downloading that app, you have to go and select your device and tap the device which you have to connect with the device. Then you have to select your device, you have to search it. Like this model is a DCP-B7535DW. To search this one, and the models will come. You have to tap this model, and the model is now selected. After that, one more Wi-Fi direct setting will come. You again tap this one, by which it is fully connected now. So printing can just go in your from WhatsApp. You can just share it to the brothers iPrint. Okay, and you can print there. You can do double-sided option also is there. If you print on PDF like 2 pages or 4 pages, you can automatically double-sided it. So let me show you one scanning example. So in here guys, there is a scanner. So friends, the costing of this printer is very low. Yes, it costs only 19,000 if you buy it from store. Okay, and if from online it will show you 24,000. And talking about this printing per page rupees, so it will cost you 33 paisa per page, which is comparatively very low to its competitors. Let me scan this one and show you how it can scan and the quality of this scanning. And as you can see, scan and copy and scan options are there. Shift to click this one and to go. You have to scan. You have to tap the scanning button, and you have to select scan to FTP, not FTP. You have to select. Let me show you one scanning example, which is very good. Okay, in terms of quality. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is a scanning. It's very good. Okay, quality of the printer is very good. And you can also put recon pages printing also by just taking out the this thing. And if you see down here, there is one option to print this one button. To tap this one, let me show you. To tap this one, let me show you guys. To tap this one, and so friends, as you can see guys, the size of this is been increased to decent size paper also, and but now you can just put it inside. Okay, so like this one you can put the decent size paper also. So friends, talking on the printing speed also, this printer can print up to 20 A4 size papers in just 1 minute, which is very fast. Okay, you can also, one option is there, 2-in-1 ID copy. If you tap this one, then first page will be scanned, and you have to open the scanner and again flip the next page, and again the second page will be scanned. So like this one you can scan the 2-in-1 ID copy also. So So the final verdict is that guys, it's the best printer for small businesses and small schools, okay, in which they, and because this toner can print up to 2500 pages, one toner can print, okay, and it's very good in terms of print quality also, but it's a monochrome printer, by which means that you can print on white and black, but then also it's very good. As the speed of the printer is super fast, and also you can just, this one thing is here, and our connectivity also is very good because they have provided one cable which you can directly connect to your laptop or computer, by which you can just connect and print from there via there also, or via Wi-Fi also you can connect and print. Okay, so that's all for today's brothers unboxing and first impressions video. So I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more like these videos. Click the bell icon to get latest notification on my new video first to you, and like the video and share the video to your friends and family. So thank you. Bye bye.